My name is Visarut Pakumtip. I'm majoring English at Manakor Rajapat University. Today, I would like to present about phonetic alphabet sound F, F, and V, V. F and V is labiodental. In pronunciation, use lower lip to touch upper tooth to produce a sound. F is a voiceless labiodental fricative and V is voiced labiodental fricative. Alright, Mr. Marco from Sweden will give you for some example.
Good afternoon. My name is Marco, and I stand here in the park. It's a nice day, sun is shining, a little bit hot. I come from Sweden, which is a very cold country, so I appreciate the heat in Bangkok. I want to say F, F and V, V. Fan, van, ferry, very, leaf, leave, off, off.